So now that the engine is inside of the car, we addressed the fuel leaks and the exposed wires, and now the car starts and turns over, runs for a couple minutes fine every time we try to start it. So we're pretty confident that we can start putting everything back together. I did put the drive shaft back in. We got it lengthened about 3 inches or so. We took it up to Sacramento and they got it back to us in about a week. So we finally went ahead and installed those. I was waiting for all my parts to come in, so now I have the electric fans, I have the radiator, and then I just picked up some coolant, so we'll probably go and install all of those today. I do though need to do the exhaust, but I'm kind of waiting for that down the line. I just want to make sure that the car at least can be able to go in and out of the driveway for now, so that way I know I have a running car, and then we can always do the exhaust later. So that's pretty much the agenda for today. This is the radiator that I ended up going with for the 240. It's a dual row radiator and it was only maybe 20 bucks more than the single one, so that's why I got it. It's just a simple no name, no brand one, but I had to get one for a SR, and the reason why is because the KA, the top mount is on this side and then the bottom mount is on this side, and I would need to get additional tubing to run that one, and it'll just look a little bit more crowded inside the engine bay. So I thought that this would just make it look a little bit more simple, and it goes with the one you see. So this is it for the radiator. I do have to put the fans together still yet. I guess they come all apart, or it was the cheaper one, so maybe that's why. For this car, I'm also going to try to run some AC in here, or at least that's the goal for right now. I already have the compressor for the 1UZ, and I have all the original stock KA AC components. We do have an AC crimper, or the line crimper, so we're going to try to connect all the lines to the new compressor. Hopefully everything works because I really want to have AC in here. I just ran over to O'Reilly's and AutoZone and I grabbed all the hoses that I think could possibly fit on top of the radiator to the engine. So I picked up all these hoses right here. I'm gonna see which one fits. Hopefully I find one that fits. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board, head over to the store and grab a couple new ones. Oh, it's a little bit too short. So it's been a minute since the last time I checked in. The sun is going down right now. So far I have the fans hooked up. It took me kind of a bit to hook them up just because it's been a while since I hooked the rest of the car up and did the wiring. So I was kind of lost in what I was doing. But I got it hooked up. So this is the switch that I'm going to be using just for now. So let me show you guys. You can hear the fans turn on. Eventually, I do want to put something that will have the fans turn on automatically, just because I know that I'm not going to remember to turn on the fans every single time, and I don't want my engine to blow just because of that. So this is just a temporary fix for the moment. I also had to run out to AutoZone because I lost one of these hose tabs. So I just put it right here, and these hoses seem like they are fitting pretty good. The other side looks good as well. And then I also picked up some coolant, so I'm going to throw that inside the car as well.